So, hello and good morning, everyone. Today is Mother's Day. Welcome to the Garden of Gifts. My garden is pretty messy, or I guess it just needs some tender loving care. I've been man down for a little while, so I have a lot of things I need to clean up. My tomato plants are getting big and bushy, so they need to be staked up or put some trellishes down. I've got some things I've got to pull because they're going to seed. My Bokchoy back here is going to seed, so I'm gonna pull that, and I need to refigurate a lot of things here. I don't have the greenest thumb, but I still love the garden. So I guess I'll be back with more, guys. I don't know, it's a little wild this year, but hey, I've got a lot of things I need and want to do. I have more tomatoes than anything, so I guess I'll be canning or jarring or trying to do that. Alrighty.